Welcome to our YouTube video on how to earn money on JustAnswer.com. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the exciting world of JustAnswer.com and explore the opportunities it offers for individuals with expertise in various fields. JustAnswer.com is a reputable platform that connects users seeking expert advice with knowledgeable professionals. Whether you're an expert in law, medicine, finance, or any other specialized field, JustAnswer.com provides a platform for you to monetize your knowledge and help people around the world. In this video, we will guide you through the process of getting started, optimizing your earning potential, and ensuring a positive experience on the platform. So, let's begin our journey to financial success on JustAnswer.com. JustAnswer.com is a platform that connects users who have questions with verified professionals who can provide expert answers. The platform covers a wide range of categories, including legal, medical, technical, financial, and more. Users post questions, set a price for the answer, and experts have the opportunity to provide comprehensive responses in exchange for compensation. Before fully engaging with any platform, it's essential to assess its credibility and reputation. Let's check JustAnswer.com on ScamAdvisor.com and TrustPilot.com. ScamAdvisor.com rates JustAnswer.com as trustworthy with a high trust score. It analyzes factors like website age, domain ownership, and customer reviews to provide an overall assessment of trustworthiness. On TrustPilot.com, JustAnswer.com has mixed reviews. While some users report positive experiences, others have expressed concerns about pricing, customer service, and the platform's refund policies. It's important to review these feedbacks and consider them when deciding to participate on the platform. To begin earning money on JustAnswer.com, you need to create an account. Visit the website and sign up using your email address or social media accounts. Complete your profile by providing accurate information about your qualifications, expertise, and experience in your respective field. A well-rounded profile enhances your credibility and increases the chances of users selecting you as their expert. To attract users and maximize your earning potential on JustAnswer.com, consider the following tips. Craft a compelling profile. Create a profile that highlights your expertise, qualifications, and achievements. Be sure to mention any certifications, degrees, or relevant experience that adds value to your profile. Provide thorough answers. When answering user questions, aim for quality and depth. Take the time to understand the query and provide well-researched, informative, and accurate responses. Strive to exceed user expectations. Be responsive and timely. Promptly respond to user inquiries and questions. Timeliness is key in providing excellent customer service and building a positive reputation. Offer personalized solutions. Tailor your answers to the specific needs and circumstances of each user. Address their concerns directly and provide practical solutions or advice. Building a strong reputation on JustAnswer.com is essential for attracting more users and increasing your earning potential. Consider the following strategies. Maintain professionalism. Conduct yourself professionally at all times. Be courteous, respectful, and patient with users, even in challenging situations. Emphasize empathy and understanding. Positive user reviews encourage satisfied users to leave positive reviews on your profile. Positive reviews increase your credibility and attract new users. Continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with the latest developments in your field. Engage in continuous learning and professional development to enhance your expertise and provide the most accurate and relevant advice. Consistency and quality. Deliver consistently high-quality answers. Focus on accuracy, clarity, and thoroughness. Strive to exceed user expectations with each interaction. JustAnswer.com operates on a compensation model where users set a price for their questions, and experts earn a portion of that amount when they provide an answer. Payments are usually made on a monthly basis through PayPal or direct deposit. Familiarize yourself with the payment terms and ensure you meet any required thresholds for withdrawals. Congratulations! You've now learned the essential steps to earn money on JustAnswer.com. By leveraging your expertise, delivering high-quality answers, building a strong reputation, and maintaining professionalism, you can unlock significant earning potential on this reputable platform. JustAnswer.com provides a platform for you to share your knowledge, help others, and make a positive impact while generating income. Remember, success on JustAnswer.com requires dedication, continuous learning, and a commitment to providing exceptional customer service. Start your journey today, explore the available questions, and embark on an exciting earning opportunity as an expert on JustAnswer.com. Wishing you success and satisfaction in your endeavors. Thank you for joining me in this exciting journey of exploring various ways to earn money online. I hope you found this YouTube video informative and inspiring. Remember, the digital world offers endless opportunities, and with determination and hard work, you can turn your passion into a lucrative online income. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future content where we dive deeper into the world of online earning and share valuable tips to help you succeed. Remember, success in online earning takes time and persistence. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and continuously educate yourself about the ever-changing landscape of the digital world. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with online earning, please drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and engage with our vibrant community. Thank you once again for being a part of our journey towards financial independence and exploring the boundless possibilities of earning online. Until next time, keep chasing your dreams, stay motivated, and never stop learning. Wishing you all the best on your online earning adventure. Take care and see you soon.